her. But yeah, she's going to vehemently deny any reconciliation or that they're together. There's times where she avoids conflict, and I think he's just taking that as a presumption or that they're together, or I don't know if she's appeasing him or whatnot, but her testimony is going to be that they are not living together. They have not reconciled.
Please.
Tyler Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, can I have you raise your right hand and be sworn in for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. Ms. Coates, is the state ready to resume?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bergman, are you and your client ready to resume?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lee, are you ready to go forward today?
Yes.
Okay. Then, Ms. Coates, I will have you pick back up where we left off. I think, well, we may need to just start over since we've had parties conferring. So, Ms. Coates, can you update the court on the record where we stand currently?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe the parties are in agreement that child support and medical support will remain the same, which is $209 for child support, medical being $113. Miss Perez continue carrying health insurance through another source. The parties are not in agreement with regards to conservatorship. Your Honor, Miss Perez is asking for sole managing, and Mr. Lee is asking for joint managing. Miss Perez is asking for no geographic restriction, Your Honor, as she will be starting school in UT Austin. I believe Mr. Lee is asking for a geographic restriction. So that's an issue as well. Miss Perez is still asking for 11 months of retroactive child support with no credit. I believe Mr. Lee is contesting that. I believe he's going to testify that he has financially helped. And I believe the parties are still in agreement with regards to the visitation, Your Honor, that I previously stated that Your Honor previously ordered, which was the first, third, and fifth Saturdays and the first, third, and fifth Sundays between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. for up to 1 hour. Those will be supervised by Miss Perez or the maternal grandmother or another adult of their choosing. Parties to continue communicating on app close. And I believe that's everything, Your Honor. And court costs to be paid by Mr. Lee is what the state is asking for.
All right. Ms. Coates, are you ready to begin questioning? Or Mr. Bergman, did you have anything to add?
With regards to the status, the summary of the parties right now, no, Your Honor. But if I was to begin questioning, I know I was questioning my client when Mr. Lee entered. I would just ask that I question Mr. Lee first to get an understanding of what his agreements would be.
All right, Ms. Coates, do you have questions for Mr. Lee, or would you defer to Mr. Bergman?
I'll defer to Mr. Bergman, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Bergman.
Yeah. Tyler, can you just state your full name for the record, please?
Tyler Lee. Tyler Richard Lee.
And right now, are you currently working anywhere?
I'm not, no. Well, I do a few side jobs just to pay the child support for now, but...
Okay, and what are those side jobs?
I work for my mom sometimes. She's got a cleaning business, and she knows a few people that need more help, like, with other cleaning jobs. So I've been doing that just to be able to pay the child support.
So how do you get paid? By the day, by the hour, by the job?
By the job.
And what is that? How much is that?
It depends on what the job is.
Okay.
It's not anything like specific. But.
So give me an idea of a day's work for you. What's that involve on pay wise? You get 2 jobs, pay X amount of dollars. Can you give me any kind of detail on that?
The last job I did, it was like 4 or 5 days of cleaning the outside of a house, the walls and the windows and the gutters and stuff like that. So
And how much you get paid?
it's just odd jobs like that. I think that one was like 600 something, because I remember I needed to pay 2 months worth of child support. So
You got paid $600 for
six
cleaning.
something. I'm not sure how much.
Okay, but at least $600, is that correct?
Yeah, at least, yeah.
And that took you 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
So that's about $120 a day is what you're making.
No. That's like I said, it's just an odd job. It's not every week.
But for that job, you made about $120 a day, correct?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay. And then your
It's not
work history,
consistent though. It's not.
fair enough. And then your work history before that, where did you work at?
I worked at Cargill. It's a animal feed factory.
How long you worked there for?
2 years.
Okay. And before that, where'd you work at?
Before that, I I just the jobs I had before that weren't very long, like a few months at most.
Okay. Did you work at Cargill for a consistent 2 years?
Yes, yeah, I was there for 2 years.
Okay. How much you get paid there?
18.25 an hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I think we talked about this last time, and before you came in the hearing, we were talking about some of your mental health history. Do you feel okay discussing that with the court?
Yeah, that's totally fine.
Okay. What happened where were you recently checked into a mental health facility for a period of time?
Yeah, that was a whole thing
When was that?
last year.
Can you be more specific? When last year?
Um, mm, I don't remember the exact date. I'm sure she's told you though what the date was.
Mr. Lee, the court is not aware of whatever might have been discussed in the breakout rooms, so we're on the record for your formal hearing. So we need as much information as you have. You know the month or the general time of year. You need to be as specific as possible, please.
Okay. I mean, I don't remember though the exact date.
Okay, do you remember the month?
No. It was I think it was towards the end of the year. Sure. Actually, no, it was um
I think Miss Perez testified earlier today that she was 7 months pregnant at the time.
yeah.
Does that help you remember?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you remember using that
I
information?
think it was like February, somewhere around February. For sure.
Okay, thank you. Any more questions, Mr. Bergman?
Yes, Your Honor. For you. No. How long were you there for?
I think it was like 5 days. Pretty sure.
Okay.
But as soon as I got there, the doctor did say that I don't belong there and that I was going to be released earlier. But for some reason, like they weren't letting anyone leave. But my mom was calling them like every day to try to get me to let them let me out of there, because the doctor had said that I don't even belong there in the first place. So just gonna put that out there.
What was the name of the place?
Um, I don't know.
Okay. What was the reason for you going there?
Me and Aaliyah had gotten into an argument, and I said that my life felt like it wasn't worth living at the time, but I never said I was gonna end my life or anything like that. So the cops had just taken me there based off of what she told them.
Okay. And right now, do you get any kind of treatment for mental health?
No, I don't.
Have you been diagnosed with any kind of mental health?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Um, and you recall an incident where you were present with the child and on your phone, and the child's present, and the child was in a walker, and you shoved the child away from you while you're on the phone. Do you remember that?
What? No,
Yeah.
I don't. I don't remember that. No, I don't.
Okay. Your testimony that never happened.
Yeah, that never happened.
Okay. Last time we were here, you agreed to do a parenting class, correct?
I did, yeah.
Okay. And you have not done that parenting class, correct?
No, I haven't because I was trying to find one that was free and accepted by. Um,
The simple question is you did not do it, correct?
okay, no.
I'll pass witness, Your Honor.
Ms. Coates, any questions for Mr. Lee?
Yes.
Go ahead.
All right. So, Mr. Lee, how come you were not able to finish or proceed with the parenting class that Judge Simmons had ordered?
Like I was trying to explain, I couldn't find one that was free because there was some that were free, but it also said it needed to be accepted by, like the Attorney General of Texas, I guess. So I just couldn't find one, and then I got busy and. Yeah.
I don't think the order had any requirements except
Um.
that it be completed. And so with the results being, you were supposed to turn in the results to the AG's email address.
Yeah. Well, on the email it said it was required, or it had to be accepted by something. So I don't know. I was confused. But.
You just need to submit proof that you did it.
Okay. Yeah.
The order that Judge Vickers signed simply says the parties shall take a free online parenting class, turn over a certificate of completion to the office of the attorney, should say Attorney General, and it lists the email address where you can send it.
Hmm.
Did you read the order, sir?
Yes, I read the order.
Okay. What else, Ms. Coates? Any more questions?
Yes. Mr.
ahead.
Lee, you're asking to be joint managing conservator, is that correct?
Yes.
And do you understand what that means?
Everything's split 50-50. Like as far as having like rights, I guess.
So it essentially means you and Miss Lee have a certain set of rights together, and that she must consult you on some decisions with regards to health, education, and welfare. However, she does get final say. Is that what you're asking for?
Yeah, that's